everyone, and welcome to day 10 of a 15-day series on SQL Tricks and Traps. Today we are going to discuss about one of the most underused yet powerful features in SQL Server, and that is the format function. It is especially useful for reporting, dashboards, and quick data cleanup. Here are 5 cool SQL tricks using the format function. But before we reveal those cool tricks, here's a quick reminder to answer the fun SQL riddle at the end of this video. Use the format function to format your date from a basic format to an instantly readable date format, which is perfect for reports or displaying timestamps in dashboards. You can use the format function to auto-apply currency symbols and separators based on locale. No manual conversion logic required. It can even cleanly format SQL time to human-readable AM/PM format. It's great for user-facing data. I've personally seen many requirements in which it is required to pad leading zeros to your numbers. With the format function, it can be easily done with a single line SQL code. Different countries and locales have different date formats, and the format function can automatically adapt this date format relevant to the specified country or locale. I hope you liked this video and found the SQL tricks useful. Before we end the video, here's a SQL riddle on your screen. Post your answers in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.